Hello, little heroes. Today, let's meet some real-life heroes, firefighters. When the alarm rings at the fire station, the firefighters jump into action. They quickly put on their special uniforms, helmets, and boots to keep them safe. Then, they hop onto their big red fire truck, ready to help anyone in need. Vroom! Vroom! Off they go, speeding through the city, sirens wailing. Whee-oo, whee-oo, whee-oo! The fire truck zooms to the rescue. When they arrive at a fire, the firefighters work together like a team. They pull out their long hoses and spray water to put out the flames. Splash, splash, splash. Some of them climb tall ladders to reach high places, while others help people and pets to safety. But that's not all. Firefighters also help with other emergencies, like rescuing a cat stuck in a tree or helping in a flood. They're always ready to lend a hand. After the fire is out and everyone is safe, the firefighters head back to the station. They clean their equipment, rest up, and wait for the next call to help. Isn't it amazing what firefighters do? They're brave, strong, and always ready to protect us. Maybe one day, you can be a hero just like them. Until next time, stay safe, little heroes.